distance over that way. I'm gonna try and see if I can get it. There you go, look, see, there's Hyperia. Just look for the way, I guess.
There's trees.
Yeah, but still.
In a quarter of a mile, slight left towards Chatsey Road, A317.
Yeah, that is a lot faster.
Yeah.
Blimey. The new reels really did some stuff to that. Let's look at the airtime moment. I mean, the 0 airtime moment, my bad. There's Colossus, Saw, Stealth, 12. Mr. Banana. Enterprise ripoff might be broken. I genuinely don't know. It's just going up and down. Oh yeah, by the way, we're at full park. They be testing it. That be empty. And we've been stuck here for a bit as well. Obviously that's happening, so I don't know. Still ain't open, but we're on Colossus now.
Since JP's not here, update. Hyperia is stuck again. Update, Hyperia is no longer stuck. Oh no, cart running. Or trains, rather. Cart to back, or trains rather.
What's that in the background?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
To be fair, it's gonna come pretty quick.
People could think you're like a YouTuber, or they know, because of how you're dressed. Or just a weirdo.
All of the above.
I know that's the only one that map won't go on, other than Hyperia.
Really?
Oh, it's the loop at the end.
The Irish be open again.